Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to learn a beautiful wind chimes with colorful papers. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: 7 color craft papers, scissors, ruler, fabric glue, thread, pen for marking, bamboo skewer, hot glue gun. Cut the sample butterfly shape around 2 by 2 inches. Take craft paper and fold it as per the butterfly size. Place the sample butterfly on the folded craft paper and mark the butterfly shape with a pen. Now start cutting as per the mark. Cut the butterfly shapes with different color papers. Now take any 2 color butterflies and stick them with fabric glue. Now take around 18 inches of long thread and mark it as shown. Leave 3 inches for both top and bottom for tying, and in the middle mark every 2.5 inches for sticking the butterflies. Place the butterfly on the thread mark and apply glue as shown. Now take a different color butterfly and stick it on the glue and press it gently all sides to secure the butterfly. Repeat the same for other set of 3 colors so it makes alternate colored butterflies. On every thread, stick 6 butterflies. Make 9 strings like this. Take around 9 by 12 inches any color paper and cut it diagonally. Take one of these and start rolling like this to make a frame for hanging the butterfly strings. I'm just sitting here. I got time. Make 6 sticks like this and cut these in equal size. Leave 2 inches on both sides. Now make 3 marks with equal distance. Now start joining the sticks on the marks with glue gun to form a frame. Now take 4 equal size threads and tie it to 4 corners of the frame. To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors. Hold up 4 strings together and tie a knot. Leave 3 inches at the end. Tie a butterfly string at each cross of the frame. You can see the butterfly strings tied like this. Now the colorful butterfly wind chimes is ready.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.